I'm going to show you all the notes on all 6 strings up to the 12th fret. A little reference guide for you. Here are all the notes on the 6th string, the low E string, the thickest string. Here you go. Here are the notes on the 5th string, the A string. Here are the notes on the D string, the 4th string. Here are the notes on the G string, the 3rd string. Here are the notes on the B string, the 2nd string. Here are the notes on the high E string, the thinnest string, the 1st string. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this helps.